You have set up your text, you have set up your word art, you have applied drawings, and now we're going to look at how you can make use of grouping elements and selecting elements and applying formatting onto elements. This lecture is all about time saving. Instead of applying formatting on one object at a time, we're going to learn how you can group your elements so that you can apply changes on multiple items and multiple images at once. In this lecture, you're going to learn how you can format and group elements and text and word art and apply formatting for these objects at once. This is all about time saving and being very productive. You have inserted your greeting card text message, and that makes up the second layer of your greeting card. You also started by using the shape tool and drawing your first slice that will make up your curtain. You even added some transparency on that shape. During this lecture, we're going to continue this path and add 6 additional slices to cover up the card completely and to have that curtain effect. So we go to the toolbar and select Shape, Rectangle, and the rectangles, they may superpose one and the other. So like here, I select 1/3 of the previous shape, and I'm going to draw the second slice. And again, I will need to give it a fill color, which is white, which is good, but we will add again that transparency by using the slider on the right and by dragging the slider down to 1/5 of the slider length, so that you have different transparencies onto the different slices. So this is the second one, and we will continue drawing the third one. And again, they don't need to be identical, they may even be a little bit more smaller, but try to change or alternate the transparency of your slices. So this is for the third one. Now we're going for the fourth. This may be a little bit more larger again, like that. And don't forget to alternate these transparencies, which gives a better effect. And we will continue till we have 7 slices. So this is the 5th one. Again, change a little bit that transparency. Okay, and this is the 6th one. Sometimes it might be that you need to rectify here, so to make sure that you cover completely the card. Don't forget to change the transparency again, more high for example. And then the last one. And you see that we have now a curtain, but I prefer to have a white line color for my curtains. I have clicked this one, and now I keep the Shift key pressed, and I will select the 2nd, the 3rd, the 4th, the 5th, the 6th, and the 7th one. And once they are all selected, I can change the line color and decide to have it white. Up here, white. And this gives me a much better effect. In order to apply the animations on the different objects, we're going to group some items. So what I'm going to do, in fact, is I'm going to group slices. So I would like to group the first slice together with the 4th one and the last one. I have now 3 slices selected, and then I go to Arrange Group. If you want to make sure that they are grouped, well, you can see that when you have the 3 slices still selected and you press the arrow down key 30 times, so I will do that. You see that they all went down. Now I'm going to group also the 2nd slice and the 5th slice. And I will also apply a grouping. You can check that by pressing the arrow down key 20 times. Make sure that we see the text so that you're also able to select the text afterwards. And then we're going to group the 2 remaining slices together, arrange group. So I can easily select this group, the text, and the last group of slices.